Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your WhatsApp calls are not showing or ringing on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So, actually this is a very common issue, so at first I'd recommend to enable the WhatsApp notifications. So find your application somewhere in the screen, hold your finger on it, and tap on this info icon in the name label. Here, tap on notifications, and as you can see, I do have blocked. Enable them. Here, you have to tap show content on the lock screen. And now it should be now turned on and everything should be fine. And apart from these old settings, make sure that your sound and vibration is turned on too. Make up that the pop-up is allowed too, so that calls may arrive when you are using the phone currently, right now. Apart from that, allow the background activity for the WhatsApp. So go back and be in this screen here. Here you have to now scroll to the battery section here and tap unrestricted. Now everything should be working fine. It's a very common issue that it's restricting, and the issue is very high then. Apart from that, turn off the don't disturb for WhatsApp. So if you are using DND and you want to use DND, you have to go to the settings of the DND. So scroll down to the control panel here from the top right corner, prolong this menu and hold your finger on the do not disturb. Tap details, and here, as you can see, they have some schedules, some useless things. Tap app notifications, add apps, select WhatsApp here on the list. If you find WhatsApp, of course, because it's not the best order, alphabetical order. As you can see, WhatsApp is not here, but it should be here. I don't know why it isn't, but here if you see WhatsApp, you have to add WhatsApp. And that's how it works. It should be nice then. Apart from that, you have to reinstall or just update WhatsApp, because it might be the WhatsApp issue, not your phone's issue. Open Play Store, open search, and here search for the WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp Messenger, and here if you have the update button, tap update. If you don't, tap uninstall and uninstall. And after 10-20 seconds, tap install back again, and after that you can check if the incoming calls is working. With this setting adjusted, you can have someone to just do a call you on the camera, or your just voice call. Your phone should now light up with the WhatsApp call screen on the right ringtone. And yeah, that's it. How it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.